Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Office Bloke Daz.
I'm Gaynor.
Office Bloke Aidan.
Here we are, three of us. Laugh a lot
indeed.
with the funny moments of monkeys.
I love monkeys.
Same.
It's the closest thing we've got to humans that aren't humans, isn't it?
They're just great. All marsupials like that. You know, the monkeys, the orangutan, gorillas.
I was having a conversation this morning with Danielle, and her daughter's going to Thailand.
Oh yeah.
And she was saying that when her sister went, the monkeys came down and they took her phone off her, and they wouldn't give it back until she
food.
Yeah. And was holding the phone, and as soon as she gave them food, they gave the phone back.
I mean,
How
that's
smart
pretty cool.
is that? Yeah.
Well, I got into a fight with them with monkeys where they was throwing like Christmas decorations at me.
Yeah.
So I was picking them and throwing them back. Well, like having a proper
fight.
fight. Yeah,
Bauble
bauble fight.
fight,
Yeah, it's quite funny. Let's go.
Let's get into this.
The size of it.
I know.
Natural lake and tree branches are much better than springboard and swimming pool.
This one jump.
Scared.
The fence could never stop them from helping each other. A beautiful love.
No, thank you.
It's power. Start lifting him up. Harry Potter.
Someone should teach this energetic little one that balloons aren't food. Today, Monkey learned that getting food is never easy.
Scared of the noise.
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah. That's a weird thing, that.
Yeah.
To get food, nothing can be an impossible challenge for Monkey.
Smart, aren't they?
When doctors said walking backwards is good for health, and an enjoyable weekend experience with dear friends.
That monkey on the back, don't know what it is. It looks like it's either Martin Keown or looks like he's
That's
from,
it.
like, from Uzbekistan.
She just looked like Martin Keown.
When your boss tells you a boring joke, Monkey doesn't need a safety net to perfectly handle this. Monkey, this body needs to be checked at least twice a day.
Feet like a hand.
Turns out that even a monkey will fall at first sight for a handsome man.
Was this a cousin?
Who needs to go to the dentist when you already have one at home?
Weird shit, bro. Why you just...
Grab your popcorn to watch this action movie in real life.
Oh.
Slow down, young man. No one's gonna steal it from you.
It's funny how they eat
Give him,
exactly
who's giving that?
They eat
Probably
exactly how we
stole
eat
it.
it.
Yeah.
That's not a nice way to befriend with dog, Monkey. This monkey knows the best way to enjoy life. We should learn that from him.
They're like proper showmen, aren't they?
If there were Olympics for animals, Monkey would win gold in the rock climbing.
Swear that one.
What game are you trying to
Look,
play
it
with me,
looks at
human? Every species loves and knows how to admire beauty of art. That's the start of a friendship between two different kinds of animals.
Brilliant.
A nylon bag could never hold down the speed of Monkey. Do not disturb these two. They need some privacy.
I said marsupial before, I meant primate.
Yeah.
Catch me if you can, human. You can never beat my speed.
Tiny, what's that?
Yeah.
It's got a nappy on.
It tickles like crazy.
Is it
It
a
goes all
spider
the way to your
monkey?
toes.
Who says humans are the superior kind? These monkeys can steal food from us in daylight. Obviously, Monkey will never miss any kind of fun.
Here's some monkeys. Oh, wow. Oh, we can walk right underneath them. Oh, okay.
With that excellent skill set, they can be the best thieves in this world. So hard to lose weight when humans are always so sweet.
How old's that one?
I know.
Someday, you just feel like
They're
making
scary,
the world
though.
burn.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Big, aren't they?
Yeah.
Alright.
Backhander.
There is no way to express love better than catching bugs for other. Seems like the father has accepted to be the tree for his little one to practice climbing. Monkey are confused as they've never seen something as adorable as this rabbit.
Like,
Weird,
what
that,
are
isn't
you?
it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Motherhood is precious to every kind of living being. With cat's intelligence and monkey's skills, they can invade this world.
That's
Keep that slice for your sad drink, human.
got
And that
long
bag of
arms,
fruit
that.
will be mine.
Not eating that. I'm going for the chicken.
Let us know which monkey's actions interest you the most.
Yeah, good ones on there.
It's quite cool seeing like a monk, like seeing two animals that don't normally see each
Yeah.
other.
Yeah, the rabbit you mean, or the hare, whatever it was.
They just seem like
yeah.
the cat as well.
cat,
The
yeah.
cat and
Yeah,
and a
yeah.
monkey.
Well, they had the dog as well, didn't they? So it's like when I say, I said before marsupials, I meant primates, but we've got a friend who studies gorillas, haven't
Yeah.
we? And he goes out to like Uganda and places like that, doesn't he? Sort of like just looking at like living with the gorillas, sort of like amongst them and all that.
I don't think it's the gorillas. I think it's monkeys.
Oh, it's monkeys he does.
Yeah,
I always thought
chimpanzees.
it was gorillas. Right. I always thought it was gorillas.
No, because I remember you said gorillas, and you went like, "I'm not that brave."
Right, chimpanzees,
Yeah.
stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they're so intelligent, aren't they? And it's the motions, the way they move, and the way they sort of like act. And
Yeah.
there's one that guy was putting the food through the thing, and he not the food, like a piece of paper through and pulling it back.
Yeah, yeah.
The other monkey was looking at one monkey and then looking at the guy and looking back at the monkey to say, "You're gonna let him do that?"
Yeah.
It's kind of exactly the same sort of like body actions
Yeah,
we
yeah.
do.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is,
Isn't
isn't it?
Amazing.
Yeah,
quite
it's
cool.
amazing.
Great. That made me laugh as well. Made me smile. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Cheers.
Bye.